Yeah, okay, guys. So this is the calendar that we have here this week, and now these are the release that we expect this week. Yeah, and we have seen that according according to the previous information that we got to share pana nyinyi, we have seen that the DXY is bullish. The trades on GBP, USD, and gold, we expect them to be bearish. At the same time, you can see they are aligning with the calendar. Somehow the economic calendar, it's supporting our buyers in a way. How? For you to be able to trade news, what we call fundamental news, you must be able to analyze the what? You must be able to understand what each release means and how does it affect the market? How does it affect whatever currency you are trading on? But here, our major focus is the dollar USD. So how is PMI affecting the dollar positively or negatively? How is NFP affecting the dollar positively or negatively? For you to be able to analyze the release. So under PMI, the manufacturing PMI, the reason I said that the previous data was okay. The reason I said that if the actual is bigger than the forecast, it's good for the dollar. Considering that the previous one was 50.9, it's because what PMI measures exactly. Let it open. The Purchasing Managers Index, the division index incorporating survey results providing manufacturing firms in Turkey are reading above 50. Okay, the major point I'm supposed to need to get here is that the PMI in a focus much on the manufacturing sector, and if at all the manufacturers are wako sawa in their business or whatever, napata if they actually be bigger than the forecast ama the previous data release, which will make the dollar to be bullish ama strong. But if at all the release will be less than 50.9, hiyo siku dollar itakuwa bearish, and that day we are going to buy what other pairs kama euro USD, gold GBP USD. Yeah, so ISM, for those people who remember what I said ISM is, kama like 2-3 meetings to the Peter, I said this institute, it's an institute of supply and management reports, and they report many things, employment being one of them. So the reading is very useful when it is released period to the NFP report. So hii data itakuwa released hapa itachangia sana on Friday. It is going to give us what we are going to expect on that day. If at all the ISM itatoka ikiwa 49 point something ama 50, then on Friday I'm expecting the buyers that they're giving us that their forecast is 185, I expect ikuwe bigger than 185 based on the previous one itakuwa ilikuwa 175,000. So if at all that will be the case, then your Friday we are going to do what? To sell euro USD, gold, GBP USD, DXY tuna buy. So usually what I want to monitor in this monthly change ISM, it shows either an increase or a decrease in employment rates in the non-manufacturing sectors. So that's the most important thing that we are supposed to mark there. On Tuesday we have job openings, the jolts. So I said when you calculate the percentage decrease, ama increase the data that we have here, we calculate maybe 8.488 million, and that decrease 8.4 million percentage. The percentage, whatever percentage you're going to get, it's a sign that the job market sasa kama hapa it's a decrease, so it's a negative percentage. And if at all itakuwa more than 10% decrease, it's a sign that the job market is cooling the sentiments in this continuous of So in this, by this after umeka create ukaona ni either it's more than 10% or something, itakuwa ni a good indication ya federal the Fed might slow down the inflation. So hata raise interest rates zikuwe nini, yani zikuwe high. So itafanya inamaanisha that the rates are cooling, kitu ya kwanza. No, the inflation is cooling and now the interest rates zimefanya nini, zitakuwa cut off kidogo. That's a good thing. Itafanya bado hiyo siku ya Powell kuongea, the dollar will be bullish. Any other pairs zenye ziko na USD zitakuwa bearish as the you understand, ziko na USD as their base zitakuwa nini, no, as their quote zitakuwa bearish. So that's it. Tuende kwa ADP, non-farm employment rate. So ADP inamaanisha automatic data process. It's a private company that works with many US companies. It offers online payroll and human resource HR solutions plus tax compliances, benefits administration and more. So basically it's a mini NFP. It's like NFP, like it's a mini NFP release, just that it does not cover the whole economy, just the part of private sector peke yake. Remember NFP ina cover everything and works with them. So there's a site that I check ni juu the ADP actual itakuwa bigger ama less than the forecast, but sitaangalia because the time is already up in sustainable care. So if I check on that site and naangalia the services side, the trade, transport and utility as regarded, kama services kura USA na nini zimekuwa high na trade and transport, maybe price ya trade and transport zimekuwa low, then that's a good sentiment or something. So well, just know an actual bigger than the forecast will be good for the dollar. It's a good review for that. ISM tumesema nini? Initial job claims. Initial job claims ni zile kazi zimekuwa claimed in the previous 2 weeks, in one week time. Like the previous week kuna kazi, the number of work zimekuwa claimed that previous week. So the government ina work together with the employers to make sure imeokota that data, ndio yenye unaona hapa. So initial job claims zimekuwa zimekuwa claimed previous week, zilikuwa 219 so they are forecasting to be 215k. So at all that will be the case, itoke lower than 215, bearish to dollar. Ikitoka bigger than that, it's bullish. So in case nimeelezea na hot NFP, it will maintain that day. So that's it for forex calendar, economical calendar. So I have nothing much to add on that. So you can see all the 3 sentiments that tumeangalia zina almost their aligning. Yeah, the DXY technical analysis ya DXY, technical analysis ya gold, euro USD na GBP na economic calendar, they are all aligning. So yeah, that's it guys. Yeah, remember whatever I teach here or whatever I give you here